We decided to sign up because our business has been up and down over the years, and we didn't want to deal with that stress anymore, and we thought this would help.
Yeah, we thought that we learned that Ninja would teach us how to level off our business. Yeah.
I've been an agent for 4 years, and I'm new to San Antonio, this market, and I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to get ahead of my business and get it to the next level.
Because I like the energy in the promotion of it. I thought it sounded like an exciting class, and I've been through lots of training, but it sounded like something different.
The confidence that I feel sometimes I just don't have the confidence that I need to approach different types of people and watch my business grow.
Yeah, and I would say confidence too, yeah, and how to approach and who to approach.
Yeah.
I hope to gain a better insight as to what I'm not doing versus what I've been doing this entire time, and hopefully implementing that into my business and taking it to the next level.
A weakness is time management, so that is what I'm hoping to learn more time management skills from Ninja.
I'm very excited. I can't wait to get back in the class.
I feel such relief because he's already said that I don't have to be that extrovert salesperson that's handing out cards and being slick, because that's just not me, and I thought that's what I had to be. So I feel such relief that I can just be me.
I'm excited. This is a great opportunity that my broker, I'm so lucky to be a part of this brokerage that allows us to have this type of installation, and I can't wait to get back into the class.
After being in the class for about an hour and a half, I think that Peter has a lot of energy, and I'm very excited about what we're going to learn from this class and going forward for the next few days.
That's at the end of step 9.
You're trying to get to step 9.
I think we covered everything, but we're getting there.
My morning routine. I struggled with it for years, and I need to do my morning routine, and now I've got a list of things I got to do, and that's what I'm going to do.
To a lot of sales courses over the years, and I have to say this one pulls everything together. Zan Monroe, Sweat Hogs, any of those. If I had to do my career over again and take a course like this, it not only changes your life, but it brings together all those sales techniques and things that people need to make it this business.
Absolutely, absolutely. It is well worth the investment in your business and in your life. It should change the way you feel about everything.
I would definitely recommend that people take it to become a ninja. I'm even planning on taking it again in the fall.
Yes. If you haven't taken this yet, if you've been in the business 1 minute or 25 years, you should take this class. It is a great program. It's an installation in your future.